Hello students, welcome again in our online study class. Today we are on page number 60, and in the last video we learn about the need of society, and now in today's video and also we learn about the social nature of man. Now see, now here page number 60, you have got the first prize in a drawing competition. Will you keep it to yourself or show it to your friends? How do you expect them to respond? What were your feelings after their response? It is speak and write for us, and you can do it because it is just simple. What will be your expressions when you will get the first prize? Did you like to keep it for yourself? No, really not. We likes to show it to your friends, to your parents, and we felt very happy, and we also likes to listen their appreciation, and we feel motivated to draw good pictures. Means we feel not only of the drawing prize, but of any competition. When you will get it, you likes to tell to other to motivate yourself, or to happy about the appreciation from your friends and family. You know that food, clothes, shelter, education and health are our basic needs. Due to the labor and skill of people in the society, a variety of articles are produced. Education and health related services and facilities allow us to live with dignity. And you know, this is our basic needs: food, clothes, shelter, education, health, and so on. These are our basic needs. And to fulfill these needs, various peoples are doing their work in the society. For example, health related services are there, then doctors are there. If you want the sport equipments, then the different companies, factories are doing the work behind it. Clothes, then for the clothes the different shops are there, then there are uh, factories are there, and they are selling it for us. Means this is the chain of society. To fulfill one another's needs, the different peoples are working. All this is made available in a society. A variety of industries and occupations helps to fulfill our needs, and these all our day-to-day needs, these are fulfilled by the society. By the society means one is shopkeeper, one is servant, one is transporter, one is teacher, one is doctor. Means these are the different occupations, and they are trying to fulfill our one another's needs. We needs books for studying and paper for books. That is why occupations like manufacturing paper, printing book, binding, etc. also develop. And simple it is, suppose this is our book, and this book, it is for study, and here for the paper, for printing, binding, then these all things are doing by the different peoples, and finally we get the book and we buy it from the particular shop. Means it is the process, and this many people are doing the work behind this process. Thus the variety of occupation in the society help us in fulfilling our needs. This also leads to the development of our skill and capabilities. Our basic needs are fulfilled in society. We depend on each other for our emotional needs such as security, appreciation, praise and support. Thus our life in society is interdependent, and the conclusion of this whole para, just our life is in society is interdependent. We are interdependent on each other for the different needs. For example, emotional, when you are very happy, then also we need someone company. When we are very sad, then also we need someone's company. Then security, for the security purpose also. Appreciation, when you do something good, then we likes to listen, appreciate, or when we are appreciated by someone, then we feel happy, and we get the motivation to do our particular work with the best way. And praise and support is, for all these things we need society, we need the society. And so Our life in society is interdependent. This is we are social animal, and without society we can't live. We can't live, and these emotional needs, security, appreciation, praise, and support, these all things we get it from the society only. And here, try this, make a list of all the different things we needs every day. Who are the people who make these things and help to bring them to you? Find out the answer in relation to at least 5 things you use daily. Very simple, try this. Just for your homework, you have to make the list the peoples those are helping us. For example, from the early morning, milkman, after that shopkeepers, barbers, then the doctors, postmen, these all things. And you have to answer the questions, how did they help us. Now in the next video we will learn about our development.